Hello everyone, welcome to Vivian's Kitchen. Today I'm making delicious pumpkin pie. Thanksgiving treat, sweet, spice, and rich. With homemade whipped cream. Carefully slice the pumpkin in half from the stem to the base. Wash the pumpkin to remove any dirt. Use a spoon to scrape out all the seeds and string it out. For the best result, use pie pumpkin. Place pumpkin halves cut side down on tin foil. Roast for 40 to 60 minutes or until the flesh and the skin is puckered. Remove from the oven and let the pumpkin cool for about an hour. Alright, it's done. Scoop the soft flesh out of the skin. Two eggs, 1 1/2 cup evaporated milk or 15-ounce can evaporated milk, half cup brown sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon ginger, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon nutmeg,
Cups
2 cups
pumpkin puree.
fresh pumpkin puree, then combine the wet mixture. Mix with mixer until all combine. Pour the batter into unbaked shell. Preheat the oven at 425. Bake for 15 minutes and reduce the heat to 350 for 50 minutes. About 15 minutes, remove your pie to the oven and then put foil on a pie crust to prevent the edges from burning before the rest of the pie is done cooking. Now we're gonna make whipped cream. I'm using heavy whipping cream. 1 cup heavy whipping cream, 2 tablespoons powdered sugar, half teaspoon vanilla,
Transfer in a big bowl.
mix with mixer. Mix until you hit the right consistency. There you have it. Looks done. In 30 minutes, remove the foil and bake it for another 10 minutes or until it's done. If the toothpick comes out clean, it's done. The crust is firm and crunchy. There you have it. It's all done. Can't wait to try. I'm sure you will enjoy this recipe. The flavor is creamy and sweet custardy taste. With delicious homemade whipped cream. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a good one. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. See you next video. Bye.